Today we're talking about Kwenta, a leverage trading platform built directly on top of Optimism. Kwenta offers 22 different assets that you could choose from, whether you want to go long or short on any of these assets, including the pound. Now, another key feature about Kwenta is that they offer charts offered by TradingView. When we're talking about leverage, you can see that you're able to go long or short on any of these assets. So if you wanted to, you could go long on Ethereum. Now, if you take a look at the right side over here, you can see that the leverage is only up to 25 times. Now, if you are familiar with other leverage trading platforms, similar to GMX, then you are aware that they offer up to 50 times. Now, hopefully in the future, Kwenta will increase this. However, at the moment, it is only up to 25 times. Now, another key point that many people need to realize is that they use SUSD, which is their native dollar for the platform. So let's say if you were to deposit Ethereum into Kwenta, you would have to convert that into SUSD, which they already have exchange at the top. So from here, you would be able to connect your wallet, and then you would be able to convert the Ethereum that you have on Optimism to SUSD. Now, once you have your SUSD, you would have to deposit it into your margin account, and you would have to pick between any of the 22 different assets. Now, let's talk about fees. For example, if you wanted to open a long on Ethereum, you would have to pay a $2 fee, and then that's mandatory on every trade. And then you would also have to pay a 0.5% if you're opening, or a 0.1% if you are closing. Now, Kwenta is continuously improving their platform, and this is a new leverage trading platform built on Optimism. So you will see different assets coming into their futures market. Now, they also have a leaderboard where you can go ahead and take a look at who has made the highest profits and losses on the platform. Now, an important note to make is that currently they do not offer any discounts off trading fees. However, depending on when you're watching this video, they may have a discount, and I'll have that in a link in the comment section. Now, let's talk about the Kwenta token. Kwenta offers their own governance token so that users could stake this, as well as vote on different proposals that people make in the governance forums. Now, you can see currently that the price is $3.49 for one Kwenta. Now, if we look when it originally launched, you can see that it started at about $180 and it dropped all the way to $76. And now it went all the way up until $423. Now, if you were interested in purchasing Kwenta, you can see on their website in the staking section that you can earn 76.36% on your Kwenta. An important note, if you are staking your Kwenta, you will have to claim your rewards depending on whenever you would like. And then from there, you would have to wait until it fully vests. Now, you can pay an early vest fee, which is pretty high, and I personally don't recommend it if you are a long-term believer in the platform. They give people this option where they would burn that Kwenta and they would be able to take a lower amount of Kwenta and immediately sell that on the market. Now, something similar built to GMX is they offer escrowed Kwenta. Now, on escrowed Kwenta, it's the same exact thing where you would have to wait 365 days in order for it to vest. However, you are earning rewards on your escrowed Kwenta. As you can see, you can stake and unstake, and those rewards would also compound and would be accumulating in the same area where you see the staking claimable rewards. Now, if you're interested, you can go ahead and check the governance section, and you can go ahead and see that you have different proposals, and you can see what proposals have passed and what hasn't. Also, you can see what is currently active. For example, they're planning on offering Optimism rewards to traders directly on Kwenta. Now, this hasn't passed. It's still open for people to vote on. Now, this is not financial advice at all. If you do your own due diligence and you figure out that you personally want to invest your own funds into Kwenta, then you can go ahead and purchase that through Velodrome or Uniswap. I recommend using Velodrome because of the liquidity that they provide. So this is just a roadmap, so you could go ahead and see what they plan on offering in 2023. So they definitely have a lot in the pipeline, and I'm excited to see where this goes. Now, I will say that they plan on offering more different assets in the future, so I would definitely recommend following them on Twitter. Like you could see in their pinned posts, they offer 22 different assets, and that was back on February 9th. So you could be up to date by following their Twitter. Anyways, I hope this video helped you guys out, and if you have any questions regarding Kwenta, leave it in the comments down below. I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about crypto or finance, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.